Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I've stepped out of the house this morning. It's just after 11. The rain has finally stopped and so has the wind. We have had gale force winds for the last 2 nights. Basically what it means is that we haven't had any sleep. Our house shakes and wobbles a little bit. So I've come out to come and see the extent of any damage. The one thing we were very worried about was our roof sheets on the deck. I'll show you now. I definitely thought they were going to lift off. There were many times where I thought, oh, just one more gust and it'll be gone. I must tell you, very happy to say, they're still there, all of them. Definitely need to jump up there and just see which ones need a little bit more fastening, but they're all still there. So I thought just to take a walk outside and show you the extent of the damage if we have any. Alright, so let's get walking. Oh, there we've got Bella. Okay, so far what I see is nothing too serious, just a whole bunch of things that have been blown around. There's a table which was supposed to be on the deck. It was supposed to be over there, but it decided to go over there. The wind even blew the deep freeze around. The wind was coming from both directions, from this side and from that side. Okay, the shade net over the herb garden is snapped. That's not too much of a problem. We can easily just tie that back up. Okay, there's a gutter that's fallen down over there. Not too bad. Yeah, just some random things lying around, which isn't too much of a problem. The most important thing is the roof sheets are still on. As you can see, look how crinkly they look from here. We'll definitely have to jump up there and just make sure that they're all fastened a little better than that. Okay, solar panels, check, good, very important. So far everything looks okay. Just some items over here, nothing serious. Oh, there we have our water heater's chimney. Okay, that's snapped right off. We'll have to get a new one. Alright, I'm on my way towards the hothouse and the little hook where we keep the little baby chickens. Luckily there aren't any there at the moment. There we have an AWOL roof sheet. I know last night I came out and I just put these poles on top of these roof sheets because they're so light. I could hear that they were lifting off. And I just wanted to make sure that we didn't lose any more. So I see that was a mission accomplished. Alright, what have we got over there? Oh wow, we have an AWOL blanket. That blanket was hanging on the line on the other side of the solar panels. Okay, nothing serious. This is wonderful. Oh wait, I see something interesting. Come guys, let's go take a walk. So, okay, this is going to take a few minutes. You guys will just have to come and take a walk with me. I see a whole tree that has blown over. A tree that was rooted in the ground. Normally when we have winds like this, trees will fall over and snap. I've seen that a lot. Big branches and whatnot that fall over. But I must say, I haven't seen a whole tree with its whole root system fall out or be pushed over from the wind. So let's go have a look. We're now walking on the outside of our avo patch. Okay, we're just going around the yard. Oh, there's a pretty little mushroom. Don't think it's edible though. I wished it was. That's another skill that I would love to learn. Okay, let's go. So I'm actually taking you guys through the bush again. I must admit it's pretty cold out here. But I really want to see what happened to this tree. Because as I looked out the fence I could see that was something that wasn't quite normal. All right. There we go. There's the tree. Okay, so there's the upright tree, and there's the fallen over tree. But we're going to go for a walk around it because I could see the whole root system had been pulled out of the ground, and that's what I'd actually like to see. Sure, it's cold out here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, there's one. Look at that, guys. We could build a swimming pool out of that. I'm just going to go around. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's actually not funny. It could have been somewhere. It could have been our house. There we go. There's a nice. Yeah, we are actually just so lucky. But I think that's actually quite a pretty sight. Anyhow, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So we are definitely lucky. The storm looks like it's blown over. Oh, very much grateful. All right, that's the end of my walk. I just wanted to show the viewers. All right, all's good on our side. Enjoy the rest of your day, and yep, we will talk again in my next video. Until next time, enjoy the rest of the day.